Well, hello, everybody. This is Doug Rucker with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located right here in Kingwood, Texas area. We're actually in Porter, but have a lot of people that say, hey, man, I never knew you were here. So wanted to mention where we're located, Houston, Texas area, Houston, Texas pressure washing supply store. But today I'm talking about cleaning aluminum panels, Alcubon, things of that nature on buildings. So stay tuned for that coming up next. So we have quite a few properties that we clean these panels. These are aluminum panels. We also have properties that have Alcubon panels, different types of these smooth surface type panels on them, and they get these black streaks. These are not mildew, they're not algae. You don't want to treat this with a bleach solution. In fact, I think a company before us had tried bleach and it didn't work out. And so we were called, this is actually a job we got through our LinkedIn marketing, through a property manager. And basically, what we're using on these is our wrap product. Stands for Rucker's All Purpose, but it's an all purpose cleaning product that we use for um, organic and inorganic stains. Sometimes there's areas where we can't use bleach, so that's what we use, but we also use it for cleaning the black stripes off of gutters. We use it for removing oxidation, just all kinds of different things that we use it for. But today on this job, we were using it to remove these black stripes from the panels. So using the new service body on the truck, we use the KINGSLINGER, which is the little air compressor unit. And we basically use the third valve that we keep capped off, mixed up our wrap at 20-1, and just use the KINGSLINGER in order to get it to reach the heights that we needed to reach. And then we used our Reach It water fed pole with a brush on the end after spraying the solution on. Again, the wrap was mixed at about 20-1. And then we would brush the streaks out. And some of them took a little bit of effort. Some of them were a little bit easier than others. But like my cohort there, Ty, said, this is a good little workout. We both commented too, it was fun doing a job where we weren't using bleach and we didn't have to worry about, the surroundings or getting bleach overspray on anything, because it was a little bit of a windy day. The wind would come and go, and so we'd have to kind of stop sometimes, let a little wind gust go through, and then spray, especially when we're getting up high, because with these dedicated pump systems, when you're spraying up high, of course, the wind can take it. But we had no problem even reaching the top of this building with the KINGSLINGER if we needed to, but we didn't have to go quite that high. So, a couple of suggestions here. We scheduled this job in the morning. We actually wanted to try to do this in the evening or real early in the morning. And the main thing you're trying to prevent is these panels getting real hot during the day. It'll help prevent your mix, the wrap cleaning product, from drying. So you want to definitely keep it wet the whole time using your pressure washer, or just by applying more of your wrap cleaner. And it's much easier to do this if you schedule these jobs not during the hot part of the day. I think we started this job about 8 o'clock and we were done by about 10:30 or so. But it was just starting to heat up a little bit. So in the last half hour, 45 minutes is when we really had to work. Not really work, but just concentrate and make sure that we were keeping everything wet, especially where we're applying the mix. Now you can do that by either, using the pressure washer, spraying some water up there, or in most cases where we were cleaning, we would keep it wet by just applying more of the wrap product. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that little subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get notifications. And then also leave me a question or a comment if there's anything I can help you with. Be glad to help you. Don't forget, we're located right here in Houston, Texas. Also have an online video school that can help a lot of you guys out if you're just starting a business. DougRuckerStore.com for any of your supplies that you need. But most importantly, hit that subscribe button. That way you get an email notification whenever I come out with videos that could help you. And then hit the bell. Also, pay attention below to the video descriptions. I always put a lot of helpful information in those. So make sure right down below you read that. I've got a link to some products that I buy off of Amazon, especially the window cleaner that I talk about a little bit later in the video. So thanks so much for watching and keep watching. Thanks. Again, just to remind you guys that the wrap is it's an all-purpose type cleaner we've used for a lot of different things, but the nice thing about it is you don't have to worry about it damaging a surface. There's nothing harmful in it. It has degreasing properties. It has surfactants in it. It has water conditioners. It's just a real good all-purpose type product that we use for removing oxidation. We use it for gutter cleaning. You can even use this in your house wash and roof cleaning mix. It makes a great cleaning product. So if you're trying to save money and you want a product that's going to do a lot of different things in your business, this is one to have. I don't necessarily use it in our house wash mix because I really like the Dougie Fresh, but we do have a lot of customers that just use this as their house wash and roof cleaning surfactant. And it does a great job and enhances the bleach and also just aids in cleaning a little bit faster, sticks great, all of that kind of stuff. Last thing is, guys, a little tip, and I've mentioned this before in some other videos. Always clean the windows at the front entries of these commercial projects and also at a residential home. It's something that'll just really set yourself apart. We use this sprayway glass cleaner that you see on the ladder. You can get it off of Amazon. We buy it by the case. You can also get it at Home Depot or Lowe's, I believe. But just always keep some of that handy. Use a lint-free cloth and just really do a little detail on the front entryway, and your customer will really appreciate it. You're going to get water spots, you're going to get soap spots and that kind of stuff from wind drift or whatever. So just take care of your customer and do that final little detail. It's just a great thing, like I said, to help set your business apart and limit really complaints, because people will complain that you left the window spotted. So make sure on commercial and residential properties that you're taking care of those windows. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Hey guys, just want to give you a little reminder here at the end if you're still watching. My passion is helping you guys that are just starting a business and helping you grow it and become successful. I'm not here necessarily to always try to sell you something, but I've got an online video school for anyone that's located outside of the Houston, Texas area. It's $449. I've got over 200 something videos, over 250 videos on there. They're separated down in modules at the start where you can study house washing, you can study roof cleaning, concrete cleaning, and property protection. And there's also some optional tests after each one of those modules that you can take for an additional, I think, 28 bucks, have a certificate printed out. If you pass those tests, we'll list you on our service directory on our website. But you can find that at pressurecleaningschool.com. I think it'd be very, very valuable help to you. I always try to stress to people to get the education in this business first before you go buying a bunch of stuff. And of course, if you're a student of mine, I'm always here to help you either by email, text, or phone call anytime I can. So it's like having a mentor anytime you need me. But we also have monthly trainings here in Houston, Texas every month, usually the second Monday and Tuesday of every month, where we actually go out to our property, do hands-on training, and then we do classroom training the following day. Been doing both the online school and the hands-on training school for about 10 years. I was really the first guy to ever come out with an online video school, and pretty much the first guy to ever offer hands-on training for pressure washing, soft washing, things of that nature. So if I can help you in any way, shoot me an email, pressurecleaningschool.com, or you can always leave a comment or question down below. Thanks so much for watching, and y'all have a very, very blessed day.